the expert funda. So let's crack coding interviews and mastering the programming logic. So today we are solving Leetcode 1295 problem, and it is a find numbers with the even number of digits using Java. So we'll go with the step-by-step coding and we'll understand the problem statements also. Okay, so what the problem statement is saying here. So you are given an array of integers and you need to return how many of them contains an even number of digits, right? What we have given? You have given a array of integers, right? And you need to return how many of them contains an even number of digits, right? Even number of digits, how many of them contains even number of digits, right? So let's understand the explanation here in this example. So as you can see, right, we have given this statement, right? So here saying that 12 contains 2 digits, both are even. 3 4 5 contains 3 digits, one have one digit, right? Is 5 is, and 3 is also a digit. 3 digits is 3 digits and it's odd number. 2 contains 1 digits, right? So odd. 6 contains 1 digits, odd. And so the last contains 4 digits, that is even number of digits, right? Means total 12 and the last one, right? That 7 8 9 6 are having the even number of digits, and so the output is 2. I think you understand, right? So 12 and 7 8 9 6 have even number of digits, and so the output is 2. So if you pause this video and if you go through the statement constraints, so you will understand what needs to be done, right? What you need to do means you have given an array of integers and you need to return how many of them contains an even number of digits, right? Means you have to iterate. If you are going to understand the intuitive solutions, right? What are the intuitive solutions? So first of all, you will understand through the naive approach, right? Means the easy approach, right? So that will become for the string methods, right? So what you are thinking that, like, we have the given an array and we will iterate all the array elements, and then we'll check the digits, having a number of digits is even or odd, right? But we will start with the simplest approach, the naive approach, that convert the numbers to the digits, number to the string, and will count the length. What we will do? So in the naive approach, we will start with the simplest approach and will convert the number to a string and count the length, right? So it is an easy way to find the you can say elements, right? So what you can do, you can create a for loop, right? And in the for loop we will iterate all the elements, and all the elements you will find the length, and you can check length is divisible by 2, then equal to 0, then to count plus plus and return the count. Means what you are doing, just converting the number to the string and you are checking the length, and if its length is even, increment the count, and that is a simple solution, an effective one, right? So let's understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the naive approach that I was talking about, right? So we can iterate through the for loop, right? And for each digits, how we're going to count. So you can find the length, right? This is the digit length. So you can convert into you can convert the element, because it is integer. So you can convert integer into string and you can find the length. And then what you can do, divide the digit, check the divisibility is 0, means is even number, do count plus plus and return the count, right? This is the easiest way in naive approach, and you can do that, right? But there is another optimized approach that you can follow here. So I can keep it here, right? So there is another approach, is the optimized approach, right? So you can use this mathematical method to convert without converting to string. What you can do, you can iterate the element of you can iterate the element, right? Means what is the better solution with from the naive to this, right? You can do the same things, but only difference is that you are not going to convert like we are converting here, right? We're not converting the strings, right? What we are doing, we are doing the same thing. We are making the loop here, but we are not converting, right? That is why this is called without converting a string. Okay. And so you are iterating the element, you will check digits, but you will find the digit mathematically, right? So you will do nums is greater than 0, right? If nums is greater, while nums is greater than 0, means there is some element having still data, right? So if this is 0, we'll not do anything. If it is not 0, then we'll do digits plus plus, right? And then we'll divide nums divide by 10. So each time we will reduce one element, number of digits. We are counting number of digits at a time, right? And so we'll do digits plus plus. In this way you can find the digit plus plus. If you have done the digit sum of digits, right, the element, the same logic we have implemented, right? Remember. And you can do what, digits divide by divisibility. Will check if there is no remainder is there, means it's even number, and so count plus plus is coming, right? So whenever you are going to find one digit at a time, right, what you have to do, right, you will take digits outside, you will do divisibility at a time, right? So one by one digit you can uh, add here, right? So you are not adding here, but you are counting the digits. That is why you are doing digits plus plus. If you want to do sum, then you have to do sum equal to plus equal to the sum you will do, and then all the elements you can add at a time, and then all the digits will get summed, and then you can return the sum of the element. But in this case, what we are doing, we are just counting the number of digits in the elements, and then you are returning the count, right? And so this one uses a simple while loop to count the digits, and no string, no extra memory. So this is a perfect for optimization, optimizing the performance. Okay. So if you add any value here, let's suppose for the testing, right, let's suppose we are putting the 12 right here in this case. So the first time the 12 will come here, right, here in this loop. So what will happen, 12 is greater than 0, right? So you will take here digit plus plus. Now you are doing plus plus, right? So one plus is happened, means first digit is done, right? We are doing num divided by 10, means 12 will be divisible by 10. Then what we will get, 1.2, means 1 will be there only, right? So it will not go here, right? We are not doing count plus plus, right? Then what we will do, we'll come again here in the loop again for the other digits, right? 1. So when 1 will come greater than 0, will digit plus plus, means 2 digit is there. And so this time we'll divide 1 by 10, then it means 0 point something will happen, means next time we will not continue this for loop, while loop. And then digit is now 2, divisible by 2 is 0, means it is even, and so count plus plus will return. So now the count plus plus will return. So now count is become, how many counts is there, count is 1 now, right? Next time it will go for these, right? So we'll find the odd, and so count will not get incremented. You can find the digits, right? But this if condition will not execute for these three. The next time will come for this one, right? 7, 8, 9, 6 elements. So what will happen, the first time 7, 9, 8, 6 will come. So digit is 1, right? You will divide this digit by 10. Now it will become what, 7, 8, 9 will happen. Next time like that. Similarly while loop will continue. Then again you will divide, then 78 will be happen. Again for loop will go, 7 will happen, right? So total digits count will get incremented, and digit will become 4, right? So you will divide these digits by 2, and so you will see the count plus plus. Now count value is 1, now count value will become 2, right? So you will return the count here, and so the output will become what, 2, like that, like that, like the explanation is there, right? So same thing we are doing here, but the difference is while loop is to count the digits, and if condition is to check the even or odd digits, right? So if this is even, we are incrementing the count, and finally we'll return the count, right? So I hope you like this video, guys. If you really like this video, please hit subscribe this channel. If you have any doubts in this video, so you can ping me in the comment box. And that's it. A simple yet interesting problem is today, and we have completed this one. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your coding buddies. So drop a comment with the next Leetcode problem you like to solve here, and keep learning, keep coding only on expert funda. You will see in the next video. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.